To add an item to your wish list, start by accessing your account. Begin by typing the website into your web browser's search bar and clicking enter. You will then be directed to the website's homepage, which may be in a different language, such as German. To change the language, click on the relevant flag icon, which will give you options to choose from. Once you've selected your preferred language, you'll be taken to the home page. From here, locate the Sign In button, typically found near the top of the page, and enter your email and password information to access your account. Upon logging in, you'll be presented with a variety of items, including recommendations and pictures or videos of models wearing certain products. You can browse through these items, and if you find something you like, you can click on it to view more details. On the product page, you'll see options such as Add to Bag or a heart icon, which allows you to add the item to your wish list by clicking on the heart icon. You'll be able to add the item to your wish list, where you can easily access it later. Additionally, on the product page, you may see information about delivery options, including standard delivery times and return policies. If you need to return an item, you can refer to the website's return policy for guidance. Overall, adding an item to your wish list is a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of products you're interested in and make purchases at a later time.